Hello friends, welcome to my channel Clinical Biochemistry by Dr. P.K. Prabhakar. Today we are going to compare two different COVID vaccines which Indian government has just approved for the use emergency usage. Vaccines normally it saves millions of lives every year. Vaccines works for by training people, training and preparing the body's natural defense. So it prepare your immune system to fight against a known bacteria or virus or pathogens. Uh, so it recognizes the pathogens and it will be used. So normally we are having two types of vaccines we are going to use. One is prophylactic vaccines, other one is therapeutic vaccines. Prophylactic vaccines we are going to call it, which we normally take before disease to occurs. So we are taking and making our immune system ready for any upcoming infections. So that is called as prophylactic. So before disease we are going to take it. So normally most of the vaccines we are taking in the prophylactic vaccines. There are some vaccines which is therapeutic vaccines, which we take normally once we get the disease. So that is the just for the management, for the treatment of the disease. So that is therapeutic vaccines. So normally whenever we are talking about vaccines, the first thing we are going to talk about that is prophylactic type of things. So, in for against this COVID-19, we are having roughly 15 different COVID vaccines candidates in trials throughout the world. And WHO is working in collaboration with scientists, business icons, and the global health organizations through the ACT accelerator to speed up this vaccine development, vaccine trials. Now, so in India, we are having two different vaccines which is approved by uh, drug controller of the India and Indian government, that is Covaxins and Covishield. So we are just going to see how these two vaccines are different from each other in different scenario. And last we will see what are the different other vaccines which is in the clinical trials and which in which fields. So if you see, these are India is a vaccines powerhouse. Roughly 60% of the world's vaccine productions is going to happen in India. So India is called as vaccine powerhouse and home of half of a dozen major manufacturers. So what two vaccines we are just going to compare? That is, one is Bharat Biotech's Covaxins, and second one is Serum Institute of India, that is Covishield. So just I'm going to compare these two vaccines for today's lecture. First, we'll see some of the informations about the Covaxins. This Covaxins, which is produced from the Bharat Biotech. So this Covaxins, it is the first indigenous vaccines against the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. So India has produced, and this is the first indigenous vaccines which is developed by against this coronavirus. This vaccines, Covaxin, is completely developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech, along and it is developed in the collaboration with ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, and National Institute of Virology. So it developed by them, and it is also produced, manufactured by Bharat Biotech only. This this Covaxin is produced by this contains the inactivated forms of coronavirus. So when normally we are having, it is a conventional type of vaccine preparations where we normally inactivate this virus in any virus. Inactivate in terms of some of the proteins will be removed, some of the DNA will be removed, so that pathogenicity is going to be reduced or pathogenicity will not be there. So this coronavirus, which is Covaxins, is going to be inactivated. So they are not going to able to replicate. So replication capacity of this virus is going to be destroyed, and then it is going to activate our immune system to fight against any of the disease. So main things we need to remember is Covaxin contains the inactivated, attenuated forms of coronavirus, which is going to lose their replication capacity. When we are going to take this Covaxins, there are some side effects. There are some adverse effects also can be found, and those adverse effects can be pain in the injection site. Normally, we are going to take in the muscles, especially Covaxins. We are going to inject into the deltoid muscles of the upper arm normally. as it is prescribed by the Bharat Biotech. So Covaxin should be taken in deltoid muscle of the upper arm, and we require two doses given in 4 weeks apart, 4 weeks separated. So it is taken in deltoid muscles, and there we may have pain. Swelling should be there, can be there, headache, fatigue, fever, body pain, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and some other adverse effect might be possible. Now come to Covishield. This Covishield is also called as CHAD OX1 or AGD1222. What is the significance of this one? Because this Covishield vaccine is the second vaccine which is produced against SARS-CoV virus, and it is approved by Drug Controller General of India (DGCI). This Covishield was developed by Oxford University, and it is along with AstraZeneca. So because of AstraZeneca only it is AZD is there. So this is from AstraZeneca, and this is OX means it is from Oxford University. This Covishield is developed by Oxford University along with AstraZeneca, but it is manufactured in India, Pune-based Serum Institute of India. So this is also produced in India only. This Covishield normally it is not going to, it is not attenuated virus. It is a replication deficient chimpanzee virus. What it do? Chimpanzee vector virus and a weakened version of common cold virus. So what they have done it, they have taken a normal common cold virus which is going to, because SARS-CoV-2 is a common cold virus only. So they have taken this common cold virus, and it is replicated in multiple times so that they lost their replication power into the normal host. So they replicate that virus into the chimpanzee vector, viral vector. So they are replication deficient. They are not able to replicate. So this is they have there they have used chimpanzee viral vector. So on this vector they have replicated it multiple times so that the actual virus lost its replication power. Here also we are going to get some kind of adverse effect, and that adverse effect will be almost same. Here also injection site tenderness, hardness will be there, headache, fatigue, malaise, pyrexia, chill, anthalgia, and nausea will be there. So these are some of the common side effects. If you are going to compare these two viruses side by side, so Covaxin is developed by Bharat Biotech along with ICMR and Virus Institute of India, and Covishield is developed by Serum Institute of India along with AstraZeneca and developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University. This Covaxin is containing normally inactivated virus so that they are not going to able to replicate, so they are replication resistant. This Covishield is non-replicating virus vector and developed in chimpanzee viral vector. Covaxin's efficacy is around 60 to 70%. According to DGCA, it's here also its efficacy is 70.42% overall. Both the vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield, can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So this also, and this storage temperature, because it is 2 to 8 degree storage temperature, so this is very good for especially in Indian continents. Why it is very good? Because if you require not very specialized means things, cold chains to transport it, you don't require any specific things to store it. There are some corona vaccines which requires minus 70 degree, so you cannot store everywhere. You require a special uh, cold chains to store it. But this Covaxin and Covishield you can not store in normal refrigerator also. Both the vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield, we require in two dosage, but the duration are different. Covaxin we require in two dosage, that is on after 2 weeks, whereas Covishield we require roughly in two dose, that will be 2.5 to 3 months apart. This Covaxin hopefully it will be available by June 2021, and Covishield is also going to be expected in first batch already. It is available. It is going to be given to the healthcare sectors, healthcare frontliners, and For common people, it will be available the second half of things. Co-vaccines, that time it was price was not fixed. Now it's around 200 rupees, and Covishield is also 200 rupees for government, 210 along with GST, and 1000 rupees for private market once it will be available. There are a number of other vaccines also in the pipelines, which we have already seen it. Oxford AstraZeneca, we have just now seen it. That is Covishield. It is viral vectors. Efficacy 60 to 90%. 2 doses is required, and we require storage 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. This is USA based Moderna, which is based on mRNA. Their efficacy is 94.1% and it is also going to require in 2 dosage. Their storage temperature is -20. So we require not only storage for transportation, also -20°. Next one is Pfizer BioNTech. That is also mRNA based. Here also we are having 95%, around more than 90% efficacy. It is also going to require in 2 dosage, and here the storage temperature you can see -70°. This is very difficult to store, very difficult to transport. Because we require a specific cold chain for the transportation. Then this is Russia based, Rus based Sputnik V, or gamma labia, that is viral vectors. Here we are having 91.4% efficacy. 2 degrees means 2 dosage requires. Here also we can store it 2 to 8 degree in normal refrigerator temperature. Next one is Sinopharm, that is also inactivated virus, like we have seen Covaxins. Here efficacy is 79%, and it is also going to require in 2 doses. We can also store it in normal fridge. Not only this one, this is already in the clinical trials. There are number of other vaccines also candidates are there, like one is Zyco DI, that is being developed by Ahmedabad based Zydus Cadila. This is in the clinical trials. Another vaccines which is developed by Hyderabad based Biologically. This is the first Indian private vaccine making company in collaboration with US based Dynavax and Bayer's College of Medicine. So this is second vaccine which is next. HGCO19, India's first mRNA vaccine made by Pune based Genova in collaboration with Seattle based HDT Biotech corporations using bit of genetic code of cause and immune response. So this is another India based company. So two already we have approved, and this is also Indian company. This is also Indian company. This is also Indian company. Then a second vaccines being developed by Serum Institute of India and American vaccine development company Novavax. Next, we are having a nasal vaccines which is already going to develop by Bharat Biotech. So all these are best company which is based in India. So this is Indian company who is going to make another vaccines. So roughly we are having in India, we are going to make 6 to 7 different vaccines for COVID-19 coronavirus. So these are different vaccines which is under the pipeline, and we have seen the major difference between Covaxin and Covishield. So this is all about for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it.